Hello engineers, in this unit conversion video, that is a part 10, we are going to discuss about the area conversion. Okay, so we know that whenever we work in a engineering discipline, okay, whether you are working in a plant or you are working in an engineering company or in process engineering department or instrumentation engineering department or any other department, so area frequently comes into the picture. So the unit conversion of area you must know. So if you will go in a Europe, so they use the different unit of the area. Same if you will come in a Asia or in North America, South America, so you will see that the unit of area which is used there frequently, that is different. That's why the unit conversion of area you must know. So what is the area basically? So let's assume that this is one rectangular box, right? So it will have some length as well as it will have some width, right? So when you will multiply length versus width, so it will become your area. Okay, and as we know that the SI unit of the length is meter. Okay, so it will be meter into meter square, right? So this is the SI unit, you could say this is the SI unit of the area. Now there are other units as well which is used as an area. For example, feet square, inch square, centimeter square, hectare, acre, square yard and square mile, right? So these are the some commonly used area units. So what I am telling you, you must know about the basic unit conversion of the area. Okay, so for example, if I talk about the, here I just mentioned one more, kilometer square. See, if I talk about how to convert kilometer square into the meter square, so what will be this one? So 1 kilometer square, so let's convert this one. So as we know that, see, as we know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, that's we know. So here 1 kilometer square we are talking about, so that's why what we will write here, 1000 meter into 1000 meter, 2 times, right? So what it will become? It will become simply 10 the power 6 meter square. Okay, because the power is 1, right? Base is same, so when the base is same, so this power will be added, so it will become meter square and it will be your 10 ki power 6 test. Now same, you will have to convert other unit as well. For example, see, this is the basic. Okay, you will say, sir, why you are teaching these basic unit conversion? So I have seen that so many times, if I say someone ki please convert 206 kilometer square into the meter square, they are not able to convert it because they forget these, okay, that they have to multiply 1000 into 1000. Are you getting my point? What I want to say, that is very, very important. Please understand it. Okay, now the hectare, if I talk about the hectare, so 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. So 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. Now convert it into the kilometer square. So what will be this one? 1000 divided by 1000 into 1000 kilometer square. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, so 1 hectare will be 1 divided by 100 is equal to 0.01 kilometer square, right? So that's how you must know that how to convert one unit into the another unit. Okay, why it is important? Let's suppose if you are in India and you have to go in Middle East, or you have to go in a Gulf country or any other country where the unit of the area or unit of any other physical quantity is different, so you must know about the basic unit conversion. I hope you understood about it, what I wanted to tell you. Now this hectare is mainly used for the area which is a large area. There we use the hectare as well as sometimes we use the acre. right? So 1 acre is equal to 4047 meter square, right? So that's meter square you could convert into the kilometer square. You could also convert into the feet square, you could convert into the inch square, you could convert into the centimeter square or mm square. How you could convert? So simply see, 1 meter is equal to 3.28 feet. That's we know. Okay, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, or you could say 1000 mm. So you could convert into the mm and centimeter square. Now see, 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter, right? So now if you will divide 2.54 divided by 100, so it will be meter, right? So that's how you could convert inch into the meter, and then or vice versa, and you could convert your 1 acre into the inch square as well. Same in meter square, same in feet square, etc. Same one another unit which is like I have seen used widely, that is 1 square yard, that is equal to 9 feet square, right? So now you know 1 square yard is equal to 9 feet square. So you could convert that into the another unit conversion, another unit, for example feet square, for example meter square, centimeter square, kilometer square, etc. Right? So that's how you could simply convert one unit into the another unit, and you must know about it. Why you must know about it? Because whenever you are doing any calculation, right, so if you will not use proper unit conversion, your calculation could be wrong, and that could be make a huge impact on the end result, right? So that's why you must know about the unit conversion. That's why you must watch our each video of the unit conversion. If you would have any suggestion about the unit conversion videos or any topic which you want from our side, please let us in the comments box. So that's all for the today's video. Thanks for watching. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.